Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Nissan Rogue's back door. The easiest way often involves your key fob. Simply locate the button with the trunk icon, usually found on the side or back of the fob. Press and hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds. You will hear a click, and the tailgate will either unlatch or begin to power open, making access quick and convenient for you. Another common method is using the exterior button directly on the tailgate. Look for a small, often rubberized button situated just above your license plate. Before pressing, always confirm your Nissan Rogue is unlocked. A firm press on this button will activate the latch, allowing you to lift the tailgate manually, or, if equipped, trigger the power liftgate to open smoothly for you. For convenience, some Nissan Rogue models feature an interior release button, typically found on the dashboard or driver's side panel. In an emergency, or if the power system fails, you can use the manual release. Locate the small, often glow-in-the-dark lever inside the cargo area, usually near the latch. A simple push of this lever will manually unlatch the tailgate, providing essential access. Here are a few helpful tips for opening your Rogue's back door. First, always ensure your vehicle is completely unlocked. This is a common oversight. Second, check for any items or obstructions that might be blocking the tailgate's path, preventing it from opening fully. If your power liftgate isn't responding, remember to try the manual exterior button or the interior emergency release for reliable access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.